Hello, EGB. We are working today on directions for setting up your async days this school year. And so our first async day is coming up on September 30th. So we're going to work on setting that up today. And just a reminder, finding these directions is very easy. Just go to our elementary website and look for the folder that says async directions. That is where you'll find all of this information. If you're looking for it, you don't have the checklist open at that time. So the first thing we're going to do is set our calendar up for our first async day on September 30th. You're going to make sure you are putting your calendar in your content class. So you'll make sure that it's checked over here and that you download, like you pull down the menu and make sure your content class is selected. Go ahead and delete any homeroom sessions because you won't have those. So let's go ahead and look at what we need to do. I'm using my sandbox, so that's why I have this right here, but you're going to put your content course right here. And so our event, and you'll find these on the directions. Our event name is going to be, let me make sure I have everything up. So I have the right directions as well. So let's look at this. Okay. You're going to put your content class. I'm going to pretend like I'm an ELA teacher. Async day. And then the date, 2-day month. Or 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 2-digit year separated with those periods. Make sure this says the correct date here. And then you're going to go to more options because we're going to add some stuff to this so everyone knows where they need to put their attendance and all that good stuff. So this paragraph is on the directions. And you can just copy it straight from there. All right, so here's where you're going to put your activity. Just name the activity that you're doing today with your kids. Once your assignment is completed, this is also added in the directions. Log into iReady to work in your math, reading, or reading pathway. Remember, 45 minutes of work in each pathway is required weekly in iReady. So just a reminder, and then this link gives them directions on how to manually record in Nucleus. So once you are done with that, you have that in there. You are going to click on the different section for each different date for each section. You're going to make sure the date is still 9/30/22, and then you're going to add the start times for each of your sections. So if you've got first period, then you'll add that start time and end time here, just like you do to set up your calendar normally. And then you are going to click create event and continue. So then you can go back to your calendar and your async is set up for that. And your kids will be able to tell, okay, here's my ELA, my math, my science, my social studies, my elective directions right here in this. All right, so then we're going to work on our modules. So I'm going to go to my sandbox and we're going to create a module. Or actually, your module will already be created. So we're just going to add to the module that's already created. Your module says week of September 26th. Well, if I could talk today, that'd be great. Okay. So in your week of September 26th module, you're going to go ahead, press that little plus button. You're going to create a page. And you're going to name that page Async, just exactly what you named your,
sure I understand.
exactly what you named your calendar event. So named it exactly that, and I'm going to press add. Then I'm going to click on the name of the page and click on edit. And that is where I'm going to put all of my instructions for creating the video, and I'm going to remember that I'm also going to put in there that they need to work on their iReady path as soon as they're finished with their assignment. and I'm going to create a video in Canvas Studio. Now, this is super important. This video needs to have some kind of instructional value to it. It cannot just be open up your module, go to this page, log into iExcel, do this standard. That it has to have some kind of instruction to go with it. So whatever you're supposed to be talking about that day or your activity is based on, give students some instruction on that activity so that the parents aren't confused if they haven't been in class. That instruction will let them know exactly what they're doing, and this is, how this is a verb if you're talking about that in ELA, or this is how you solve this word problem in math. Just whatever activity you're doing, you have given some kind of instruction to students through this video about the activity that they're doing, and also that you have reiterated. It is very important once you're finished with the assignment for today that you log in to iReady and complete your pathway in either math or ELA, whichever one needs that 45 minutes. Just let them know that they should be working in iReady each pathway for 45 minutes a week so that they can see gains themselves. So all of these directions are in the shared drive. If you have any questions, please let me know. And we'll see you guys for our first async day on Friday. Thank you guys so much. Bye.